Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to create an export option account in a step-by-step process. I'll also tell you how to verify your account on export option. So watch this video till end. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and do like this video. If you have any question, then don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Now let's get started. Firstly, I've given the link in the description of this video for the official site of export option. You can click on that and you'll also get an opportunity to gain 100% deposit bonus with the link that I have given in the description below. So once you click that link, you will visit to this kind of site, official site of export option, and then once you reach here, then click on real account. Either you click on here or here. I would show you by clicking on here. You can click on anywhere, okay? Just click on here and then you will get this kind of interface. You can simply enter your email here and you can enter your password here, and you can click on this and click on open account. Or what you can do is, if you click on here, then you will see a trading interface. Okay, you can click on allow here. I will do nothing for now. You will see this kind of interface. So this is actually a demo account and you can make some fake trade here. Okay, let me make a trade on, okay, you are going to get 70% return. Okay, this kind of trade you can make in this interface. So if you want to open a real account, you can click on open real account, and again you will see this kind of interface. Now simply enter your email address here, okay, and then put your password that you can remember. Okay, let me put it, and then simply click on I accept terms and condition privacy policy, and then click on open account, and you can save this for future uses. It will remember your ID and password. Now once you do this much, you go to your email address and you will see a email to confirm your email address. You can click on there and then click on this confirm. So this means you have confirmed your email address is good and it is yours. Okay, now once you do this much, then simply you can click on trade now, and then you will see this kind of interface. Now firstly, what you need to do is you need to come to profile and then go to edit profile and enter your information, your country, your city name, your street address, your zip code. If you don't know what zip code is, then you can search your state or your city name and zip code. For example, Biratnagar zip code. If you type that, you will get your zip code. You can enter that and you can put your birth date, and remember that you can only select this for one time, so make sure your birth date is correct here. Okay, once you do this much, then you can upload a photo here by clicking on here. Okay, once you do this much, and another thing that you need to see is in education section. You can see these are the articles that you can read. Trading strategies, one of the important thing that if you should read, I would suggest you to read. And another is webinars are some videos that you can watch, and tutorials are some short videos that will teach you how to use this platform and how to trade. Okay, for example, here is how to use the martingale strategy. If you don't know what martingale strategy is, then you can watch this video. Okay, it would be short video of 1 to 2 minutes. You need to watch it carefully and you will understand about that. Now another important thing is, if you'd like to deposit the fund in your account, then you can simply click on here and you can see here is a demo account that you can make some fake trade on here. Okay, you can just simply click on here and you will switch to demo account and you can make some trade here the way that I have traded in firstly. Okay, you can enter some here and click on up or down and you can start trading. You can click on here and install the export option in your desktop. They have app that you can install. Now another thing is, you can see here 41 minute 55 seconds. So this is the time when you're you can, up to this much time you can get up to 100% deposit bonus, meaning if you are let me show you from here. Let's see from here in finance. Okay, and you can click on here account types and you can see here what type of account you are going to get. If you deposit $10, $50, $500, you can see here, you can read the functionality of this much deposit. And now let's see how much you are going to get bonus if you deposit it. Click on here. Okay, if you are depositing let's say $200, then you will get 100% bonus of $400. Okay, if you are depositing $600, then you'll get $500 bonus. Okay, if you deposited $500, then you are going to get $500 as a bonus that you can trade in export option. Okay, this much. Now what you need to worry about is to verify the export option account. Now for that you can go to profile, and if you click on documents, then you will see at the moment you do not need to upload documents. That means you haven't deposited anything in your account, in your account. That's why it is showing like this. Once you make deposit, then you need to verify your document, like maybe your passport or citizenship, and they may ask you for your utility bill or bank statement. And what you can do is to easily verify your export option account. You simply go to this live chat. Okay, click on the live chat and chat will appear here, chat box will appear, and simply type how to verify my export option account so that I don't face any issue while depositing and withdrawing my funds. Okay, you can write this much, and what you can do is you can simply copy. It is not copying right now. Okay, and lastly what you can do is my account ID is 948-281-586. Okay, do this much and hit enter, and you will get a reply from this support, and they will guide you to, they may ask you for your document, or they will give you a link to verify your document. And once that is done, then your export option account is fully verified. So if you are absolutely new to binary options trading, then I would suggest you to firstly practice on demo account, and then only you go for real account. Don't directly start trading with your money, because it is also a high risk investment. Binary options are of high risk investment. Okay, you will get good amount of return, but at the same time you may suffer a good amount of loss. So it's up to you. You can utilize this section, education section, and watch some tutorial and practice it on demo account and deposit the real fund. And yeah, don't miss this bonus, 100% bonus that you may get within the, once you make the account and export option, you will get some 40-minute 50-minute window to deposit. At that time, if you deposited, then you will get 100% bonus. So this much I want to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. I'll bring more this kind of interesting videos. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.